Hey my friends, I'm John Laspina. I am a carnivore, and today's topic is the phrasing that people use when they want to go eat food. I'm amazed at what I hear. Now, I'm a retired teacher. I used to hear the children, I taught middle school, so I would hear the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders speak this way, but I also hear adults speaking this way. They say, when they want to go get food, they say, I want to go get McDonald's. I want to go eat McDonald's. I want to eat Chick-fil-A. I want to go eat Burger King. I don't know about you, but you're eating the restaurant? You're eating the name of the place. I don't know why people do that. Is it laziness? I want to go eat Chick-fil-A. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is McDonald's, the kids would say. Well, that's not food. That's the name of a company. This is where our food dialogue has come today. People don't name food all the time. Oh, I want to go out to eat. Where do you want to go? And then they just name a restaurant. Instead, we should be saying, oh, let's go get some meat. Let's go eat some beef. Let's go get some hamburger. Let's go get some chicken. Name the food and go and eat that food somewhere. I personally cook it at home. I eat out less and less and less because I find out that I'm spending all this money to get this little piece of meat that I have to tell them not to use seed oils, and it doesn't even taste as good as when I make it in my own kitchen. I say make it medium rare to rare, and it always comes out medium to medium well, and I have to pay for it or make a big stink about it. So personally, I make all my meat at home, and I'm happiest. But when I have to go out and meet people out, and when I meet people at restaurants, or when I go to parties, I'm going to a party tomorrow, by the way. When I go to parties, there's going to be food there that I have no control over. And I will make my own decisions based on what I think I can put in my mouth, whether it has seed oils, whether it has carbs and sugar in it, whatever. But don't name a place. Oh, I'm going to go eat Burger King. I want to go have Pizza Hut. I don't even know if those restaurants are open anymore. Let's go eat Arby's. You know, mcwendykings is the combination phrase that I always giggle at. Eat real, whole foods and use the name of the food when you describe the food. Buy it, cook it, eat it, enjoy it. If you're going to eat out, name what you're eating and not the name of the restaurant. That's just a little pet peeve I have. If you want to go ahead and name the restaurant, go ahead. I just think it's weird that in our vernacular today, people, when they're talking about when they're hungry and what they want to eat, they name a restaurant and not the food. It's so weird. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and eat well, because you will look and feel your best when you do. Take care.